ways. You kindly was compassionate and thus you not yourself the sacrifice of your Son. And granted by the power of the Spirit of your love, we count it now until eternity, but as we are gathered by His love, and in Jesus seals the public vision, please give us all single mankind, together with you, our Pope Jose, our Archbishop of Manila, all the bishops, clergy, the entire people, help us to work together for the coming of your kingdom until the hour we stand before you. Saints among saints and the hosts of heaven, with the Blessed Virgin Mary, the Mother of God and our Mother, with Saint Joseph, spouse and faith of the Universal Church, with the blessed apostles, martyrs, and saints, especially Alcunpati, Spedicalus, and the rest, as well as Mary Magdalene and Thomas Lord Lumiere, and with all the saints, and with our own deceased brothers and sisters, whom we commend to your mercy. Then free us not from the world of corruption, and we fully into a new creation. We are simply with gladness and thanksgiving of Christ Jesus for all eternity. Through him, with him,